powering and controlling FireFly lighting modules, the FireFly UPS Control Panel is an intelligent, decentralised power system designed specifically to drive underground industrial LED lighting circuits and support other DC-powered communication systems. The FireFly UPS supplies a 48-volt DC power feed which can drive 4 individual lighting strings of FireFly LED lights at 30 modules per string. It features a front LCD display showing network connectivity, status of mains power, output voltage and current, as well as battery status. Best-in-class DC power supplies and customised gland plates to suit customer needs for bulkhead connections to the chosen interfaces. The FireFly UPS 50 amp hour battery backup will support the following: Cisco or any other DIN-mounted switch, leaky feeder radio systems, automation, VoIP, sensor and other such systems, and can be connected to the client network via wide Ethernet or Wi-Fi communications for remote monitoring and control. Each FireFly UPS control panel is remotely monitored and managed across a mine's network via its own web application. Other features include AC isolation to ensure safety, an extra low voltage communication section that allows work without the need of an electrician, industry standard Deutsch connectors, onboard controller and processor, and copper RJ45 connectors. Engineered to support the deployment of FireFly Smart Lighting, the FireFly UPS also serves as a communications hub that can be easily and affordably deployed to the operational mining areas.